Hello YouTube, doing a oil change on a 2016 Cadillac ATS with a 2.0 liter turbo. First you're gonna have to jack your car up securely. If you don't have a lift, use jack stands and a jack in the driveway. Oil drain plug's right here, and then oil filter is right here, right underneath the car. I already have the socket on it just to make it easier and make the video faster for you. You're gonna need a 15mm wrench for the drain plug. It's right here. I'll lower it down so you can see it. Plug's right on the side. Just gonna let that drain for a little while, and as that drains, I'm gonna loosen up the oil filter and clean off the plug because it's got a bunch of old oil off on it. Shouldn't take too long to drain. So I'm using, for this while the oil is draining, I use this Mobil 1 extended mile. It says 20,000 miles on it, but I usually don't let it go for too much over 5,000 or 7,000 miles, just because I've changed it after 10,000 miles before and it was just really dirty, and I don't know if I want to do that to my engine. And of course, the Mobil 1 extended performance oil filter. I just got this because it was a bundle package deal at Advanced Auto Parts. It was like 30 bucks or something. I don't know what anybody else uses, but I've always used Mobil 1 full synthetic and everything, and never really had any problems. Alright, I'm going to torque this back on. It's got like, they say 18 foot-pounds of torque. Now I'm going to do the oil filter, which is right up here. I have a 73mm socket on it. As you can see, hold it up there for you guys to see. 73mm socket on it. It's a 3/8 drive. And it spins. Nice. You dog. What a piece of crap. And I'm gonna have to use something else. I'm just using a traditional oil filter wrench, one of the auto tightening ones. I guess I needed a 72 because mine spun. Much easier with a socket, but I just use a traditional one. So, once you loosen that up a little bit, loosen it till the oil starts draining down the sides. And I'm impatient, so I'm just gonna drop the whole thing just for time's sake. So while that's draining, I'm gonna take the new filter, put some oil in it, fill it up a little bit just so it helps recycle it faster. I usually try to spread the oil around on the new ring and just so it's easier to get off the next time you do it. And make sure there's no grime up there. Put it back up. Into. Ooh. Usually hand tighten it as good as I can, and then I'll tighten it a little bit with the wrench. sits on there snug. I can feel the seal sealing. Okay. Now, you can lower the vehicle back down. Fill up the oil the rest of the way. Throw on the top of the engine. Now the oil cap is right here in the middle of your car, right in the middle of the engine. Take this out. Put my funnel in. Sorry, amateur camera sessions. Let me take the rest of my oil and fill it up till the dipstick reads it's full, which is usually about 5 quarts. That's what the manufacturer says. Always read your brochure and the dipstick. Make sure you don't put too much in. I'm gonna check the dipstick. Clean it off, reinsert it. Check it again. It's right up to fill spot, so. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Sorry it took so long to drain the oil. I'm not great at video editing, but if you have a Cadillac and enjoy working on them, I'll probably be doing more things in the future, I'm sure. Just normal maintenance stuff and hopefully no body work or paint work on it, because I don't really feel like doing my day job on the weekends. So have a great weekend. Like, subscribe. Enjoy.